गरीबी और उससे जूझते लोग ये समस्या सिर्फ भारत की ही नहीं बल्कि अनेक ऐसे देश हैं जो इस श्राप से लड़ रहे हैं। हर देश की सरकार ग्रामीण क्षेत्र की समस्याओं को दूर करने के लिए अनेकों प्रयास कर रही है। ऐसा ही प्रयास हैदराबाद के एनआईआरडी में देखने को मिला। एनआईआरडी राष्ट्रीय स्तर के साथ साथ अलग अलग अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज चला रहा है।
NIRD conducts quite a few international programs for ARDO countries, CIRDAP countries. In addition, this year we have India-Africa Summit. So, as a collaboration, we will be conducting many more programs for African countries focused. We have already conducted one on local governance recently. It went off very well. In addition, we have like various themes like watershed development, livelihoods, which are the common issues for developing countries. And also we will be focusing on rural enterprise promotion. Drinking water and sanitation also is a sector where we focus.
अलग अलग देशों से सरकार अपने अधिकारियों को भारत में एनआईआरडी प्रशिक्षण लेने के लिए भेजते हैं, जिससे ये अधिकारी एक जगह मिलकर अन्य देशों की समस्याओं को सुनकर यहाँ से कुछ नया सीखें। हर देश की अपनी समस्या और उससे लड़ने के लिए नए और बेहतर तरीके, जिन्हें एक साथ जोड़कर एनआईआरडी ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों के विकास की ओर एक कामयाब कदम बढ़ा रहा है।
I have many experiences with European programs and European policy regarding the rural development, and I'm very happy and glad to be here because I can open my mind to other programs and the other countries of the world, because I don't know anything about the other programs, rural development programs in other continents.
साउथ अफ्रीका से आए एंडिले नामा में अपने देश से गरीबी दूर करने का एक जज्बा नजर आया।
This is my passion towards rural development. You see, in our country, I'm staying in the rural areas. People are very poor there. So I needed a skill like this so that I can go back and apply at home to uplift the standard of people living in my country.
एनआईआरडी के प्रशिक्षकों के लिए ये एक चुनौती है कि वो प्रशिक्षण की तैयारी कुछ इस ढंग से करें जो हर एक देश से आए अधिकारी के लिए दिलचस्प और उनके क्षेत्र में लाभदायक हो।
Program has to cater to their needs, their aspirations also. That's a big challenge. But what we do is we do enough research and homework before the candidates come here, because the training has to be also user friendly. It should suit to their needs also. It cannot be India specific, so that will not suit their purpose. So we blend Indian experience also with the context of African countries. Say if there are many African countries, then we also have programs and case studies from them. So that helps them to understand how can correlate the experiences here. So that is also a strength. We also bring international experts who have done very well outside also. Their experience also come into play. So likewise, it's not pure classroom training. So we have more of panel discussions, seminar kind of thing, where actually participants will have presentations. They can also present their country reports. It's like learning from each other. It's a sharing also.
एनआईआरडी के डायरेक्टर जनरल श्री एमवी राव ने अधिकारियों से प्रशिक्षण के दौरान बात की और भविष्य में एनआईआरडी द्वारा ग्रामीण विकास की दिशा में किए जा रहे कार्यों के बारे में भी बताया।
We will be setting up 5 rural technology parks in 5 African countries. This is a very good initiative because the rural technology park at NIRD is known as a showcase of appropriate technologies. So this is also a training ground as well as a dissemination center. So it attracts quite a few visitors from India and abroad. So Government of India has seen this model. They liked it. They said that this is the model to be replicated in African countries. So we will be setting up, starting with Zimbabwe, we will be setting up in 5 more countries. In addition, of course, the future is of satellite technologies and also geoinformatics, remote sensing. So application of geoinformatics in rural development is a priority area for us. So NIRD has a good name in geoinformatics. So we will be setting up 5 new centers, in fact, across selected African countries. The very nature of training is shifting. It is changing, so there are no geographic barriers now. So we also have plans to outreach. Actually, we already have plans of reaching out to various states, various regional centers also in India. But internationally also we would like to focus so that we will have collaborative programs. So we have a very good video conferencing facility. We would like to strengthen this. So we will have a design studio also, so that it will be more actually e-learning. It's a participatory learning, so that participants from across the country can join the conferences, staying where they are. So this is the future, because that's where actually the geoinformatics also will come into play, so that the experience of training will be different.
दूर देश से लोग भारत आएं और यहाँ की संस्कृति और रंगों से भरा माहौल अनदेखा रह जाए, ये संभव नहीं। भारत का प्राचीन इतिहास और यहाँ की सभ्यता आज भी विदेश से आए लोगों को अपनी ओर खींचती है।
I always wanted to come to India. It was my dream in my life. I heard many things about India, so I'm very happy to be here finally. And this institute, I think, is so beautiful. So we have a very nice place to live and to learn and study. And I'm very curious about the local visits because I've never been in India, so I would like to see as much as possible.
NIRD का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर किया जा रहा ये कार्य दुनिया के हर देश तक पहुँचे और आगे भी यहाँ देश के विकास से संबंधित प्रशिक्षण कार्य चलते रहें। यही है NIRD का प्रयास।